Question 1 is check whether the following are quadratic equations. In that first part is this. Okay, so we will open using identity. Here we can open the bracket. So now see 2x we can cancel from both the side. So x square equals to x square plus 1 and this minus 6 will shift here plus 6. So x square plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. So degree of this equation is 2. So therefore it is quadratic equation. We can say since degree is 2. Now for the second one, x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So x square minus 2x. Here minus 2 we can open the bracket. So x square, these two terms we can shift here. So x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Since the degree of this equation is 2, we can say it is a quadratic equation. Okay. For the next one, x minus 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 x plus 3. So now we will open the bracket x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. Here x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now if you observe, x square term we can cancel from both the side. This is minus x minus 2 and here 2x minus 3. So shift this number here. So minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So degree of this equation is 1. Degree of the equation is 1. Therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Fourth one, here also we'll open the bracket. So 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. Here x square plus 5x. Shift these two terms. Now see, this is not necessary. If 2 bracket is there, that means x square term will get cancelled as we saw in previous question. Okay, here since coefficients are different, see 2 and 1. So we will be left with 1x square here. This is minus 5x and here this minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So x square minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Since degree of the equation 2, so therefore this is a quadratic equation. So likewise we can check for other questions also. In question 2, question is represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So first one is area of rectangular is given 528 meter. So area of rectangular plot 528 meter square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So we will suppose here let breadth of the plot is x centimeter. Okay, so what is length will be, length of the plot will be 1 more than twice of the breadth. So twice of breadth means 2x, 1 more means plus 1. Okay, 1 less, 1 more, 2 more, say 2 more, 3 more means we have to add. Twice, thrice, that means we have to multiply. Less than 1, less than 2 means subtract. Okay, now since area of the plot is what? Rectangular plot. Length into breadth equals to area, but length we got as this much, breadth is x, area is 528. So open the bracket, equals to 0. So this is the representation. Question is only represent the situation. Question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Suppose one integer is 2. So to get the consecutive one, we should add 1. We will get 3. So we can say 2 and 3 are consecutive positive integer. So first number if we suppose as x. So to get the other number, what we should do here? X plus 1, isn't it? So we can write here, let x and x plus 1 be any two positive consecutive positive integer. Okay, consecutive positive integer. So product is given as 306. So therefore, according to the condition or according to the question, product means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x square plus x equal to 306 equals to 0. See, Rohan, question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. Okay, so we would like to find Rohan's present age. So let Rohan's present age be x years. Okay, now Rohan's mother is 26 years older. So Rohan's mother's age will be what? 26 year older means x plus 26, isn't it? Now product of these two ages are given but not the present age. Okay, 3 years from now means after 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age will be what? Suppose this year he is 15 years old. So after 3 year means 15 plus 3, isn't it? That means whatever present age is there, we have to add 3 in that. So x plus 3 years. Then mother's age will be after 3 years. This is the condition, after 3 years. Mother's age will be x plus 26 and plus 3. That means x plus 29. Okay. So according to question, product is given as, okay, the 360. So x plus 3, x plus 29, product is equal to 360. So x square 29x 3x 87 360. So x square, this will give 32x. Here 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Two 113 equals to 0. This is 15 minus 8. 273 equal to 0. Greater number has minus sign, so minus 273 equal to 0. In question number 4, a train travels a distance of 480 km. So distance we can write 480 km. Then if speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we need to find the speed of the train. So let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, now we know speed formula is what? Distance by time. So time formula will be distance by speed. Okay, so in the first case when speed is x kilometer per hour, distance is same. Okay, see, a train is covering the same distance, that is 480 km, but the difference in is speed only. First with the normal speed and then with the lesser speed. Okay, 8 km per hour less than the original. So here distance will be same. For the first case, speed will be x. Okay, so this is the time for the first case. And for the second case, distance is same, but this time 8 km less than the original speed. Okay, so this is the time in first case, this is the time in second case. Then one condition is given: if speed will decrease by 8, we will get 3 hour more is required to complete the distance. That means difference of these two time is what? 3. Okay, so we will write here first. Therefore time required is 480 by x to cover the distance. Okay, next, if speed is decreased by 8, then time required is 480 distance by speed, so x minus 8. Okay, now see, we decreases the denominator, so this fraction will increase, isn't it? So this fraction is bigger one, so always subtract smaller fraction from the bigger one. So 480 by x minus 8, this one is bigger, minus 480 by x equals to 3. Okay, now we will simplify this. 480 we can take common. See, students are in this step they are making mistake. X minus 8 and x, they write this fraction first number, means here they write, so interchanging is not possible. This should come first x minus 8 equal to 3. So see, x will go, minus 8 will remain, and this denominator will go that side. From 3 we can cancel this. Okay, then from 8 we can multiply. So x square minus 8x, and this plus sign will go that side, equal to 0. So here see, this minus minus plus will remain here. So plus 8, so this is also plus, so minus. So this is your final answer.